And if folks, especially in businesses, aren't aware of AI, it would be a pretty rare thing, right? So I think that component that most people, either in their personal lives, because we've all got phones, I don't know what Apple's market share is, but most cases you have access to AI in some way. We also talked about Google and just Google searches, which most people do as well across the world. You're touching AI, you know about AI, you're using AI. And I think when you go into a business environment, you're trying to figure out from the CEO down, like the CEO is going to say, hey, look, we need to figure out how to do better with less. We're all in that environment today. Doesn't matter what industry you're in. And what's the answer to that? Well, it's not replacing people necessarily, but it is to augment and enhance the work and the performance of the organization through the people that are using AI. And so how do you do that? And what do you do to do that? So go solve it, says the CEO. Now, underneath, what are the areas inside the organization that will be touched and impacted the most? And in most cases, it's customer service, and it's probably sales, right? Again, revenue-based components. What size organization am I? Am I going to go get access to a large language model, or am I going to build my own small language model? Am I investing in building AI in-house? Maybe not right now. Maybe I need to prove it in a certain scenario, a fit to purpose scenario like customer service. And who are the vendors that are doing that? Well, there's a lot of us, right? It's a very crowded space. So who's the best? What is the best technology and how do we do this? And then you want to partner with an organization that has done this and can help you think through it. So the expertise lies within the vendor who's done this for other customers to guide them through. And, the loose term is professional services, but consult through that. What do you want your organization's customer experience to be? What is your journey map today? Have you thought through that? What does this look like today? Where do you see it tomorrow?